unang tanong ko kay Direk Paul. Kasi Direk Paul, is it true na may napanood ko na kasi kay Alex na na-mention niya na parang medyo na-disappoint ka ng konti. Kasi nga yung naging focus ng press con, hindi yung istorya o yung paghihirap ni Maha, kundi yung chismis o yung issue about you. Totoo ba na nakapagbitaw po kayo ng ganung salita? You feel, parang medyo na-disappoint ka kasi instead na istorya ang maging focus o yung mga paghihirap ni Maha, kundi yung ini-involve kayong dalawa ang naging topic.
Of course, it was very frustrating. I mean, I'm the director. No? There's no point for me to link me to any of my actors. I mean, it's uncalled for. Those things are not worth writing about. If you ask me. It's not worth mentioning. What we should really focus in, and I really believe maybe that's why Maha got a little emotional during the press on this, because Maha worked so hard on this movie. She gave time, effort, training, everything that I wanted, she gave it to me, plus more pa. And there's somebody out there trying to write something else na hindi naman totoo, or hindi naman, you know, parang very amateurish, diba, yung mga ganyan. We're all professionals here, so let's keep it professional. Let's talk about our hard work, let's talk about our movie that we all made, and that's what we want to show you is our film, nothing else.
How about you, Maha? Do you also feel disappointed na ang naging focus is yung ang pagkakaling sa inyo kaysa nun sa mga hirap, yung talagang mapupuyat
Oo
mo?
naman. Kahit naman kanino siguro, ayaw maling sa director mo. Kasi yun yung sinasabi ko. Pag may mga pelikula kasi, hindi na ito may iwasan na maling ka sa club team mo. Ngayon na siguro nung wala si Jason Avalos dun sa press con.
Option kasi.
Ibinigay kay Direk Paul. Ayun, sabi ko nga po, hindi porket artista ako, wala na akong nararamdaman. Yung nakikita niyong strong kami ng mga artista, bumibigay din naman po kami. Lalo na kapag sobra na, yung natatapakan niya na talaga yung pagkatao namin. Kasi alam naman po namin yung totoo, at ginagawa po namin, maigi lang yung trabaho namin. Tapos, yun, gusto namin mga positive write-ups na lang sana yung lumabas. Pero, yun nga, nung press con, hindi pa rin naiwasan. Pero, yun po, sa atin, okay na po, mag-focus na po tayo lahat sa movie, sa Thelma. Tapos na po yung mga chismis, intriga, nasagot na po namin yun. Let's move on. Let's be happy.
Tama. Yun. Okay.
Yung nakareaksi.
Actually, mamaya tanong ko kay Melba kung sino man yun. Okay, next question from Abe. Then, balik tayo kay Gian.
Producer ako.
Good at time.
Ganun. Tapos parang 10 minutes lang ako nag-decide. Or 1 minute.
No, towards the end of the film already, you know, I approached Reno, okay, also one of the producers. We approached Ma, and you know, this is her film, and this is really a character film. It's Thelma. She's on the poster, her name's there. So I told her, I go, look, we still owe you this much, talent fee. How about we don't give you that anymore? Say, straight. We could use it for you know, nicer locations, better lighting. But we'll do that. We'll just give you a percentage in the film. And of course, it was still a choice. It was not forced. And I said, the success of this film we want to share with you. You know, if you're open to that, we're not forcing you. And after 34, 35 seconds, yes. Hey.
We'd like to hear from Ma kung what made you decide, made you say yes.
Siyempre po, sabi nga ni Miss Sam and Sir Rino, own it. So, pelikula ko naman po ito, kaya go, di ba?
Sige lang.
Yun po. Yun.
Tingin mo, uulit ka pa uli sa gandang pagpaproduce?
Kung bonggang-bongga ang Thelma, bakit hindi?
Malamang.
Gusto ko life story mo.
Ikaw gaganap, Joe.
Si Jason.
Diba? Ayan, sige. Thank you.
Kaya niya yun, no?
I have 2 questions for Direk Paul. Why do you felt the need to brand this movie as inspired by true stories when it's not an actual living person naman? Why do you felt na may need pa nun?
Because it is inspired by true stories. I wrote this film based on true stories. That is definitely a fact. When I got to meet these athletes, these runners, they inspired me. Their stories inspired me. So I wanted to give it that label, that edge, because I want people to know that what you see in Thelma are stories that actually happened. How she grew up in the beginning, that's actually kwento of one runner. How she got to join a race, that's a kwento of another runner. How she went to Manila, her love story, those are kwentos of different runners. So everything about this film is really a true story. But instead of basing it on one person, I wanted to base it on everyone's journey, a lot of people. And it's another reason to watch the film. At least you know what you see on the screen actually happened. That if it can happen to them, it can also happen to us. They can achieve their dreams. Why can't we?
Ako personally, I am enticed by the trailer because it's not the usual drama nga. But, Direk, how do you think this movie will fare among the general public na nasanay sa mga rom-com, love stories, or ang idea nila ng drama is tearjerker, yung iyakan ng iyakan ng iyakan. Eh, hindi ko naman nakita sa trailer na ganun yung movie. So how do you, tsaka, mukhang hindi pa sanay sa mga tinatawag na message film.
Ang mga Pilipino.
So, how do you think matatanggap ng public yun?
I think at the end of the day, everyone watches a film because of its story, because of its heart. I think film has a lot of that. There's a lot of heart, there's a lot of story. And I really believe that people will embrace it. And the viewers nowadays are very educated now. They choose the movies they watch. So I really believe that Thelma will be a hit amongst the people today because we all need inspiration. And when we leave that cinema, we leave feeling better about ourselves, knowing that we can do it. And of course, on the side note, there was yes, it has a sports theme, but I really believe also the Filipinos are ready for a sports film, only because we are actually world champions in sports. Of course, headlined by Manny Pacquiao in boxing. We have the Ascals making noise in the soccer world. We have Smart Gilas, international basketball. We have Dragon Boat team, winning world championships in Florida, I believe. And these are all over the headlines. These are all over the news. So I think it's just so fitting and so timely that we now have a sports film. I think Philippine cinema, Philippine viewers are ready for a film about sports, a film about inspiration.
Thank you. Good luck sa movie.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,